Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in today. I greatly appreciate it. I have my Lurella box for the month of November 2023. I've not even opened it. I had so many boxes sitting here, a little bit behind. I haven't been able to film in a week, but I'm trying to get caught up today, hence the same shirt. But at least I'm getting caught up. I have like 30 minutes to film and take care of all this stuff, so the box is always well packaged. I'll show you the inside. You always get a card. So that looks interesting. Interesting looking palette. This is $29.99 a month, plus tax, free shipping in the United States. This is a monthly box. You get 5 to 7 full-size beauty products from Lurella themselves. Lately, we've been getting a little bit of merch, which is okay. And we're going to see what's in this one. Always like nicely packaged with like the airbags, that kind of stuff. So we're just going to get right in and see what we have. This here looks like a headband. Headband, $3 value. Let's open this up and see. I'm not usually a fan of these, but I can always share it. I can open it. Looks like there's some nice stuff in here. Okay. I like the little bag. So this is the headband right here. You know, it'd be good to, you know, put your makeup on if you like to wear these. I do not. I never was a headband type of person, but that's not a bad thing to have. $3. I think that's extremely affordable. Next, this is interesting. Flawless Fusion brushes. Brush set is $6 right here. So 5, you know, shadow brushes. Always nice to have brushes. Not going to complain about that. Looks like we have some little teardrop, the little teardrop sponges with the soap on the bottom, which is always nice. The mini beauty sponges are $4. Like there's the soap. So they give you everything you need. No complaints there either. What are you? Ooh, there's something big under there. Now these, let's see. Make-A-Wish. This says Make-A-Wish. I don't know what that is. So I'm going to have to open it. Everything is always sealed with Lurella, which is, you know, takes a little bit more time to open, but is nice to know that it's completely sealed up. Let's see if I could open this without destroying the box. Sometimes I can, sometimes I can't. Let's see what this is. That's what this looks like right here. I'm not sure what this is. This says birthday. I don't know what this is. Right here. Is this like a highlighter? That could be that could be a lip. Honestly, it's nice and dark. We'll see. And then there is, I'll leave this here. We have this, which is an iconic gloss. Oh, my nose is, my face is so dry from being in the hospital with my mother all week. This is Tempted. So I'm assuming this is a highlighter. There's like stuff in here, I don't know. Lip liner, lip gloss. That's a liquid lipstick. $6. The lip gloss is $5. And this is a gloss that I'm going to open right now. Let's... Okay. Trying not to ruin. So the lip gloss. Ooh, that's dark. Right there. That is a dark one. I don't mind darks, especially in the fall and the winter, which it is. So there's a little hint of the color. That is definitely dark. Could probably pull it off. So lip gloss and liquid lipstick. Here's a lip liner in Cold Brew. So this is going to be like all the darks, the dark browns, which, like I said, I can pull off. Sometimes I do lighten them up with like a lighter shade if I think it's too dark. But I can pull a dark off, you know, so And this is what the shade is right here. So it's, you know, it's a like a pen. It is a pencil. It's not like a liner, like a liquid liner or creamy gel, I should say. There's the word I'm looking for, gel. So that's that. And then this is going to be a brown eyeliner. I'm not going to open that one. We've seen brown eyeliner. So lip liner is $3. Eyeliner is $5. Then here, this must be the highlighter right here. And this is in Bliss. Where is this? It's all sealed. Let's open everything up. I mean, I don't pre-open boxes or look or any of that. That's why, like, none of this can get done ahead of time. Because I don't, you know, open boxes. Some people do. I do not. That's all, you know, preference. Let's see what you look like. Here's the packaging. They're beautiful packaging. A mirror. So that's the shade. That's nice. A little icy, but sometimes that is a nice shade. You can use them, for, you know, if you want to use that for like inner corner, you know, things like that. You can use it for a shadow if you choose. Highlighter is, everything is very affordable. Like, they're lowering their box value, so that's kind of annoying. So highlighter is $4. And then the last, no, there's not the last thing, so I'm going to save that for last. This right here, we have, what is this? Oh, this looks like another, oh, what are these? These here say hand bands. Okay. I don't know why I would do that. I mean, I guess you could put them in your hair. There's two of them. They're purple. It says hand band on the front. I've never, and that's not on my paper. Okay, so we'll put these back here. And we'll do the palette because there's something else in here. So the palette is Freshly Brewed Eyeshadow Palette. That's kind of cute. Going to be bulky to store. That's $15. Let me see the best way to open this. Last time they did one like this, I had to like destroy the packaging to get it open. Let's see how this one opens. Let me undo all this. I mean, definitely, you know, like a cup of coffee. I would assume this will just slide down. Let's open her up. Oh, it's two-sided, nice mirror. And then here's the palette. Nice palette. Right there. Cute. I do like that one. All coffee stuff. Latte, macchiato, frappe, espresso, beans, iced, hot, cafe, barista, doppio. I never heard of that. Affogato, Americano, cappuccino, drip, decaf, and ristretto. I never heard of them. Interesting. I like the shape of that. A nice mirror on this side. And then you would just put that back in and it stays closed. That's nice. $15. It's not overpriced. Then there looks like there's something else in here. And oops, the box is going to fall. And this says on it a travel bag. Okay, let's see what this is. Travel bag. Or right here. Oh, okay. What kind of travel bag are you? Oh, is it like, it might be like the packing cubes right here. Let me see. Let me unzip and see what you have going on here. That's exactly what it looks like to me. Maybe I'm, oh no. Look at all kinds of bags to pack things in. All different sizes right here. There's like different size cubes. Yeah, this is like packing cubes. And there's like a ton of them. Here. Oh, okay. There's a lot inside this bag. Wow. That's a welcome pleasure. Happy to have that. I love packing cubes. Has a handle and they're all right in there. Oh, okay. I'm not unhappy with that. It looks like they, you know, zip closed. Can I get it back in the bag? Probably not. They're not listed on the card, and what is listed says $51 value. not bad. It's a pretty good box. I think that's a great palette. All the glosses, the liner, the highlighter, the sponges, the little hand bands, which I've never, like, would think that would be something. Brushes, a headband. Definitely worth the $30 that you pay for it, in my opinion. They have great brushes, and they have great eyeshadow formula. So you can never go wrong with Lurella in general, in my opinion. And I'm like dropping everything today. Got to keep it up off the floor. I have 2 dogs up here, so I can't have anything where they're going to get anything. So thanks for watching. Enjoy your day. Do you get Lurella? I know a few of you do. I hope you loved your box, or if you haven't gotten it yet, this could be a spoiler for you. And thank you all for watching. I greatly appreciate it. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.